Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming baseline performance, run a speed test, and note Mbps and ms. Once done, pick a reputable VPN that supports fast protocols like WireGuard or OpenVPN UDP because protocol choice affects throughput. Make sure your device has the app installed and your account is active. Next, open the app and locate nearby and alternative server regions. You will compare them. These initial checks save time and show whether the VPN can actually improve or only reduce your speed. You now optimize the connection by testing protocol differences. Switch between WireGuard, OpenVPN UDP, and TCP and measure results because some networks favor one protocol. Once you have a protocol, try nearby servers first, then check servers 1 to 3 regions away to find the best route. Make adjustments. Reduce MTU slightly if fragmentation occurs, disable IP6 to avoid leaks, and use split tunneling to keep heavy local traffic off the VPN. Keep notes so you can reproduce the fastest setup. You finish by locking in the best combination. Set the preferred server and protocol, and enable auto-connect on networks you trust so the faster route is used automatically. Make sure you use wired Ethernet where possible and update NIC drivers for maximum throughput. Periodic speed checks confirm consistent performance. If performance drops, test speed without the VPN to isolate the issue. Then try a different server, restart the router and device, and contact VPN support if the problem persists. One focused change usually fixes it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.